I'm making chiffon cake with a fluffy and airy texture on the inside. Start by separating 8 medium-sized eggs. I did it by moving the egg yolk in each of the shells to get the whites out. It's also really important to have no part of the egg yolk in the whites, so use one of the shells to scoop the egg yolk out. To the egg yolks, add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, half cup of oil, half cup of water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Then set that aside. To the egg whites, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Start blending until the whites get foamy. Keep beating, but slowly add 1/3 cup of sugar. After you're done adding all the sugar, beat until there's stiff peaks. This whole process should take about 13 to 15 minutes. Set aside the egg whites and beat the egg yolk mixture for 2 minutes. Next, add 1/3 of the egg whites to the egg yolks, and gently fold that until it's combined. The key to the process of mixing is to keep as much air as possible, so try not to overmix or mix too much. Then add all of the egg yolk mixture back to the egg whites. Continue to gently fold until it's combined and make sure there are no chunks of egg white. Take a 9x13 pan, which I actually lined with parchment paper, and pour the mixture into it. You don't have to do this, but I just smoothed it out to get a prettier finish. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 45 minutes. When it's done, the top is smooth and rounded. However, after a while, the cake actually started sinking. I didn't mind because it still tasted good. But if anyone knows why it sunk, please let me know down in the comments. After I cut it, the texture was still fluffy and it tasted amazing.